Hello, guys, welcome back to Proggy. Today, we are exploring a visually inspiring Chrome extension called Google Earth View. Imagine opening a new tab and being greeted by a breathtaking satellite view of a random location on Earth every time, every single time. I'm just showing you a glimpse of that. So, let's get started by installing the extension. For that, just go to the application menu. From there, go to extensions, click on visit Chrome Web Store. In the search box, just type Google Earth View, and you might have to scroll and search it a little bit, but it should be there. Here you can see Earth View from Google Earth. And remember, this is from Google, so just check the name of the developer also. After that, just click on Add to Chrome and click Add Extension. That's it. The extension is installed now. Now let us test the extension. So instead of the usual blank or default background, you are greeted with a stunning satellite image. Every new tab refreshes the experience, giving you a glimpse of a different part of the world. You can see the part of the world from here on the bottom right side. Also, you can just scroll down your mouse wheel a little bit in this particular section, and this sort of a bar will come which will take you to all the places which you had seen earlier. Also, one cool feature, if you really want to go to that particular place and really see some more details, you can just click on this icon and it will take you to the exact page through the Google Earth website. So here you can see the actual place now. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the quick tour and that it inspires you every time you open your browser. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your favorite view, and don't forget to subscribe to Proggy for more tech tutorial stuff in the future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.